Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about the distribution of ocean and continents. This is Bishit Gola. This video having contents of continental drift, evidences to support continental drift, forces of drifting, post-drift studies. And later on, the other part of the video we'll be discussing about ocean floor configuration, distribution of volcanoes and earthquake, concept of sea floor spreading, plate tectonics, major and minor plates, types of plate boundaries and rates of plate movements, and forces of plate movements and movement of the Indian plate. Here, let us begin learning the continental drift. Abraham Ortelius, a Dutch mapmaker in 1596, first proposed the possibility of joining the continents such as America with Europe and Africa. Anteo Pellegrini drew the first map showing three continents together, that is, America, Europe, and Africa. Alfred Wegener, a German meteorologist, put the forth the continental drift theory that should be remembered. According to him, all continents formed a single continent, that is, Pangaea. All oceans form a single universal ocean called Panthalassa. Around 200 million years ago, the Pangaea began to split into two large masses called Laurasia and Gondwana land. By further splitting, Laurasia formed northern continents and Gondwana land formed southern continents. Now, the evidences to support the continental drift theory given by Sir Alfred Wegener. The first one is the matching of continents, that is jigsaw fit. If you talk about the shorelines of South America and Africa have remarkable match. If you connect these two maps, then it will be connected. B. A map was produced by Bullard in 1964 to show the jigsaw fit of these two continents. C. It was fit around 1000 fathom line of the shoreline. Second, rocks of same age across the ocean. A belt of ancient rocks of 2000 million years from Brazil coast matches with those of Western Africa. Marine deposits of South America and Africa belong to Jurassic age. Now the tillite are sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock formed out of glacial deposits. We all know that. Sediments formed India have similar counterpart at different continents of South. It believed that the two continents of South and North were in same condition. Twilight indicates prolonged glaciations. The same glaciations is found in Africa, Falkland, Madagascar, Antarctica, and Australia. Makes these continents or these area or regions were being together. The glacial tillites indicate that ambiguous evidence of paleoclimates and drifting of continents. Placer deposits. Formation of placer deposits of gold in Ghana coast has no source rock. The gold-bearing veins of rocks are found also in Brazil. That makes sure that South America and Africa were together. Now the distribution of fossils. Identical species of animals and plants are found along the coastal regions of different continents. Here you can see the lemur occurs in India and Madagascar and Africa. The contiguous land masses were called Lemuria. Now, the fossils of Mesosaurus were found in only South Africa and Brazil. Here you can see the earlier map of Pangaea and Panthalassa. The blue part were Panthalassa and the yellowish part were Pangaea. Now, the forces for drifting the continents. Wagner suggested that the movement responsible for the drifting of the continents was caused by polar fleeing force, tidal force, possibly driving forces for plate tectonics, where bottom lithosphere traction by convection current, trench pull covered earlier, ridge push, sliding of a high crust in compression, trench shock that is rollback, global expanding of contracting forces, membrane forces of spinning ellipsoid that is the variance of polar fleeing forces. Now here you can see Wagner suggested that these two forces are responsible for the movements of plates, but most of the scholars considered that these forces are not sufficient for the movement of plates. Now, post-drifting studies. Information collected from the ocean mapping is more useful to study the continental drift convectional current theory. It was proposed by Arthur Holmes in 1930. Due to difference in the temperature, currents are formed due to disintegration of radioactive material inside the earth. Yes, here you can see these currents are found in entire mantle portion, mainly the entire mantle portion having plasmatic condition of lava and magma forces the land masses to break into pieces. I hope you have learned from this video and thanks for watching this.